In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. Don't limit your understanding of the world. Process. Impressed. Feel. Experience. What matters most in life is often invisible. Try to change. Maybe you'll find an opportunity along the way. Sometimes I am thinking about how to live more differently. Listening to the engine exhaust and enjoying this pure. Life is a journey of discovering oneself. Keep on insisting to pursue. Traveling around the world is not a dream. It is life. My name is Henry. Faith in life. What you believe in will lead to the kind of life you will have.